Let's make yummy instant mini pizza for kids lunchbox recipe. 3 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1½ cup lukewarm water, 4 cups all-purpose flour. Mix it well and make a fine dough. Add few teaspoons of oil. Then cover the bowl for fermentation, approximately 20 minutes. Take a pan, add 35 ml cooking oil, 1 small chopped onion, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1½ teaspoon red chili powder. Saute it well, then add boiled chicken pieces, then add ½ teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Then add ½ teaspoon oregano, mix it well, then add 5 tablespoon mayonnaise, turn off the flame, then mix it well, then keep aside. Stuffing chicken is perfectly cooked, keep aside. Dough is perfectly fermented, make small flat shaped round bread, then apply mayonnaise all over bread, then add chicken cubes, then add mozzarella cheese and chopped capsicum pieces. Then cook on slow flame for 4 minutes. Delicious mini pizza is ready. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.